Picture. One day, a thirsty crow wants some water to drink. He looks around for a wheel. He could not find any. Then he saw a pitcher on the road. There was some water at the bottom of the pitcher. He could not reach the water. He sat down to think. He saw some small stones beside the road. He smiled and said, I know what to do.
I know what to do.
Anak gani ko.
No,
Eh,
mali mo.
Ano yun?
He got the stones beside the road. He smiled and said, he dropped them into the pitcher one by one. Soon the water was near to the top. He drank all the water he wanted.
Mana?